everyone, this is the Egyptian guy. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be showing you how to do a whole baked chicken in the oven. Perfect for a family meal. For our ingredients, we're going to need one whole chicken. This is about 1.5 kilo. I got 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, a tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of each of the following: teaspoon of dried rosemary, teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of 7 spices. Alright, first step we're going to do is mix all of our dry ingredients together in a cup or a bowl. Okay, I got all of my dry ingredients together in a bowl or a cup. I'm going to add to it my lemon juice, my vinegar, and my olive oil. Give it a stir. Okay, I've mixed all of my dry ingredients together with my liquids, and now what you're going to do is just pour it all over your chicken. Make sure you also get some inside of the crevice inside. Very easy, requires no marination. That's really the best part about it. Very little preparation time. And this is where you're going to use your hand and make sure that you coat the chicken everywhere. The bottom side too. And now we're going to place it in the oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for like an hour to an hour and 20 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked all the way from the inside. Okay guys, now my chicken is out of the oven. Time to plate it. And this is it guys. Serve it with your favorite sides and enjoy.